Hello, let's plan for April. I bought one of these Stanley mugs. I have been influenced and I don't regret it. And I don't care if it's basic. How is it already almost April? I'm filming this on March 28th. It's a lovely Tuesday. It's really hard for me to believe that we're already 4 months into 2023. I know I say this and probably everybody thinks this every month. This is not an original thought, but as you get older, time just goes by faster and I don't love it for me. But I actually accomplished a lot of my goals this month, so let's hop into it. I use Notion for my monthly planning and tracking, and to be very honest with you, I didn't really plan last month. I kind of got my goals done naturally. I did get sick this month. I'm feeling better now, but that derailed like some working out stuff. But for the most part, I think I did a pretty good job. And this is what my Notion template looks like. I did get a free template from another YouTuber that I watch. I did not build this myself. I'm trying to build out templates more, but it's just not going very well. So let's get into it. This is my daily to-do list. This is an old list, so let me delete it. I don't really use my daily to-do list very often. I normally just use my weekly agenda. So it's Tuesday, so we are filming the April plan with me right now. I also want to start editing this video and make a thumbnail. I did laundry yesterday, very important. And not a ton this week. I have a dermatology appointment and I'm helping my sister move on Sunday, and I'm posting a video. I actually would like to post this video perhaps on Thursday. Why can't I spell? I swear whenever a camera's on me, I cannot spell for the life of me. Yeah, I'd like to post this video on Thursday so it goes up before the month of April. I'm probably gonna have to add a few more filming agenda items to this weekly agenda, but that should be good for now. And normally what I do to stay organized is every Sunday I just fill out this template. If I have anything or any appointments throughout the week, then I just throw it right on there and it makes it really easy for me to keep track of. I also use my phone a lot for Notion and planning. That's why I really like it, is it just can go to your phone super easily. So that's been great and really just helps me stay on track. Let's go to my goals. So I kind of wrote in a couple goals at some point in the month. Workout 3 to 4 times per week. I've been pretty consistent with that, just doing weightlifting and cardio at the gym. And I think just having a gym membership in general really motivates me because I'm paying for that on a monthly basis. So I did accomplish that. Post 5 to 7 YouTube videos. So actually I have a little whiteboard calendar right here that I'll update later, but let me check how many I posted. So we got my office transformation, my hair wash routine, my what I eat in a week, room decor, vlog, and then this video is going to go up. So I did hit the 5 threshold. I have some new goals this month in terms of posting, and I want to follow those. So I'll get into that in a second. And then create more Instagram Reels. I did post a few Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts and TikToks. They're all the same thing, just more short form content. I enjoy short form content. I don't do it consistently enough to really see huge results. And I'd say my preference is definitely long form content, but short form is fun sometimes and I enjoy it. So let's write in some goals for the month of April. So as far as fitness goals, I don't really have a lot. I would like to write out all my workouts. I have it started on a notes page in my phone, but I want to write the rest of them out. I would like to walk I would like to walk 2 miles per day on average. I kind of loosely track this. So let me just turn the camera. I got a walking pad last week. So last week was actually my first full week with it, and I averaged probably like 1.5 miles every single day, which is really great. I would like to get outside. Okay, I swear. Get outside more. I'm just gonna write more in general. I'm pretty close to saving 5K just in my savings. So I am gonna put that on for a monthly goal. I think I'll get pretty close to that, if not fully there. Okay, next let's go into my long-term goals. And I didn't update this on here, but I did actually pay off my car last month. Or no, was it like the beginning of this month? Anyways, I paid off my car, so that's completed. I am working on paying off a certain loan. I'm gonna add in 2K YouTube subscribe. I have to be like careful because I know I'm gonna make a spelling mistake. I don't know why I do this. I'm gonna add in 2K YouTube subscribers. I have some posting goals that are gonna be intense this summer, so I'm really, really hoping to see that sooner rather than later. Awesome. So let me go back to my homepage. It's allergy season. Is anyone else like sniffling and ugh, gosh, I am. All right, so let's go to my content trackers. And when I say content trackers, I mean mostly YouTube. I've been tracking my Instagram just for fun, but clicking into my YouTube content tracker, I did fill this out already just to make it easier on myself. So for the month of March, I hit 1,087 subscribers. I'm currently at 196.3 watch time hours for the month and about 4,400 views. Honestly, like I'm a little surprised by these numbers. I thought I had posted a decent amount compared to the months previous. Like February, I posted like 1 video. So I don't know how my watch time is higher, but hey, that's YouTube sometimes. And honestly, like I feel like there's always room to be more consistent on YouTube, and there's always just more that I personally could be doing. So I'd love to see those numbers hop up a little bit faster, but we are making progress, and that's all that matters. I'm not monetized yet, but I'm at the subscriber threshold, which is 1,000. So I'm obviously pretty well over that at this point. And I think for my total watch time hours, I am at about 2,500, almost 2,500. I'm at like 2,474. Very specific, but that's where I'm at. And then as far as my monthly goals, I think I will put a subscriber goal here. I'm going to say 1,100. And let's say 5,500 views. I think that's actually a lot for me personally, but let's go big or go home. And then I'll put in my actual growth next month. I didn't put in a goal for March, so we'll do that for April. All right, back to the old homepage. I'll give you guys a quick overview of my vision board that I built. Nothing's really changed here, but I've had a lot of money coming in lately, tax return and or otherwise. Getting closer always to my subscriber goal. Really, I'm at more of a watch time goal right now, so make sure to watch this video all the way through and maybe queue up the next one. Been working out, been actually hanging out with friends, been reading more. I have been meeting new friends, which is what this one's about. My nails are still bitten. They're still short, but it's fine. We're working on it. And I learned how to kind of do this hairstyle. And you can't really tell, but it's kind of, I'm on like day 2 hair, so whatever. I need to dye my hair actually. I'm actually going to add that. Oops. I'm going to add dye my hair or make a hair video. Wait, not make a hair video. Okay, goals. I'm going to add dye my hair to this because I've been meaning to dye my hair for actual months and I want to do it for summer. I think I'm going to go black. And I think I'm going to do a semi-permanent color so it's not like a permanent black dye, but it's going to be cute. And I'll definitely film it. All right, so as far as routines, fitness, I don't really fill these out. I'll show you what they look like. I wrote out a morning routine, like an ideal morning routine. Honestly, maybe I should try to do this because my morning routine has really just hit the fan lately. I just have been wanting to sleep in and it's just not amazing right now. So maybe I should work on that a little bit. And then my fitness, honestly, like I said, been pretty consistent with my fitness, so I'm not too concerned about that. So April videos, I'm doing a guide to starting your fitness journey. Honestly, I've found for me, I kind of need to plan my videos on a week by week basis because I change my mind all the time of what I want to create. But I'm trying to create 2 videos per week and post 2 videos per week. So actually, let me add that. I don't know why I didn't add that to my goals. In fact, I'm going to put that at the top of my goal list. Post 2 videos per week. And with that being said, some of the videos are probably going to have to be sit down videos versus like full on vlogs, because these sit down videos, I can film a video like this in like 30 minutes versus a vlog. It could take me all day to film. And I can't really film all day when I'm working my 9 to 5. Actually, that reminds me, so I'm going to do a guide to start your fitness journey and then a working day in my life. That kind of does it for the Notion planning portion of today's video. This is my whiteboard. I've had it since college and we're really close. So every single month, did not really think that through. It just dripped everywhere. Every month I clean it off and make it pretty again. I probably should have explained some things before I clean that off, but there's a little system that I use for showing which days I work out. I don't know if you noticed beforehand, but if I work out a certain day, then I will X out the box, like an X. And then if I don't work out, I will just cross off the box. So that kind of helps me see on a monthly basis, like how often I'm working out. And honestly, I've been crushing it lately. We're talking April 2023. Do you believe it? The month of April starts on a Saturday. And April is 30 days, so I'll just split that in half and say 30 days. I like to leave the big marker up here because I do actually mark my days off. I'm gonna start on this side. This is where I put my YouTube videos for the month that I want to make or plan to make, and I add to this as time goes on. So I'm gonna say YouTube, vids, and I know the first video I'm gonna have is a fitness. It's not a vlog, but I'm just gonna say fitness vlog. Like, I know what it is and you guys will see it soon, but next video is going to be a day in life, work day, and then so on and so forth. I'll just fill that in as I come up with ideas, and then when I create the video or when it's posted, I just check mark the box or cross it out, whatever feels the most satisfying in the moment. But I do try to post on every single Sunday. So here's my Sunday column. So I'm just going to put a little mark there. I know for a fact I will not be able to post twice a week, but maybe there'll be like 2 weeks where I can make it happen. So I think it might be best to do Sunday and like Thursday or something like that. So let's try that. I'll just mark it and we'll see if we can do it. Definitely would be pretty proud of myself. Oh, and then the 30th is going to be a Sunday, right? Let me check my calendar. Overall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 YouTube videos. That's a stretch. But if I get to like 7, I'd be pretty happy with that. Even 6, that's a good number for me. So I do have a couple of events that I know are happening, so I'm helping a friend move. She's moving on Sunday at 10:15. And then I have a doctor's appointment on the 11th at 1:15. I do also normally put my bills on here, but y'all don't really need to see that. Just reoccurring payments or bills, just so I remember to pay them. I never forget to pay my bills, but it's because I write them on the calendar, people. So that's kind of the overview of what my calendar looks like. I think April is gonna be freaking sweet and I'm so excited for it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am gonna try to be better about making these every single month so you guys can really see the progress. They're honestly pretty easy to make, and I want to be able to look back at this when I'm super famous and, you know, a millionaire and such. So I'm totally joking. If you have not noticed the subtle notes of sarcasm in my channel yet, then it might just be too late for you and you might just want to click off the video. Yeah, hope you guys have a fantastic week, night, morning, day, 3 a.m., 4, 5 in the morning if you're literally insane. Whatever time of day you're watching this. I hope it is nice, and I hope you have a treat today, and I hope you accomplish a goal or even just take small tangible steps towards your goals. I heard this quote the other day and I've been telling all my friends it, and they're probably like, Lizzy, shut up, we're annoyed with this quote already, but I haven't told you guys yet. Basically, it goes something like this: life and time go on whether you are working towards something or not. To me, it's like I might as well work towards something because the time's gonna continue to go on, right? And when I'm laying down, when I'm on my deathbed and, you know, looking over my life, I wanna be like, damn, she really tried. She really gave it 100%. And I think when you give it 100%, then the universe really sees that and gives it back tenfold. So, and I'm manifesting my YouTube channel right now, and I really think this year is the year that I'm gonna get monetized, mark my words, and I'm hoping it doesn't even take the whole year. So make sure, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have a certain goal for April. I would love to chat with you in the comments. I literally reply to all of my comments. That is because I usually don't get very many comments, you guys. So comment down below what you love about April, or what is your goal for April, or what are you gonna leave behind in March and try new in April. I look forward to chatting with y'all in the comments, and also if you have any video requests, I would be more than happy to do those. I definitely see my channel going in a little bit more of a fitness, and I don't know, I wanna be a fitness girly. That's like my goal in life, and honestly, I kind of am a fitness girly, but I don't film in the gym because I'm scared. So I'm trying to get over that fear. Anyways, I will stop rambling now. I will talk to you guys in the next video, which will be coming out soon. Goodbye.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry